My name is Craig Parker, and I've been an estate planning attorney for more than 25 years in California. And I just thought I would help you in your decision making as to thinking about who you might choose to be the trustee of your estate. Often people will choose one of their children or a close friend, but sometimes they don't know what the job entails. And the truth is that it's a big responsibility, and it's a lot that we're putting on that person we choose. A typical total administration could take at least 100 to 150 hours of time for a trustee to do it, and that's assuming everything goes smoothly. I know that will shock a lot of people, but again, doing this 25 years, that's the minimum that we're asking of that person that's going to act as the trustee. So after someone passes away and you have a trust, your trustee who you've selected starts by having to do a legal notice. In most states, it needs to be particular specific language and even font size, very statutorily or legally specific. After getting all of the legal notices, one of the first things you need to do also is secure all of the assets. And that might seem simple, but it's really important. Even the house needs to be secured, meaning make sure that no one else is entering it, because if anything happens to the property while you're the trustee and you allowed people with access to harm or to burn it down, you're responsible for all of that. So you need to get it secured, make sure nothing walks off. Once they've done that, they need to marshal the assets. It can take a very long time. You have to put all of the assets into an administrative type of count. You're going to be getting a new tax ID number because the trust has become irrevocable from the IRS, and you need to then marshal all the assets. That includes 401k accounts, stock accounts, any type of financial account that's part of the trust. So there's notices that you have to send out to potential creditors or creditors that are known to you, and then paying all those final debts, bills, any outstanding things. Most people will tell me they didn't have any debts, but we're talking about notices that are required by law, and there's always final bills. There's final medical bills. There's those final professional services. That also includes tax returns and final tax returns that need to be done, and making sure that all of the taxing entities have been paid in full. And so that's critical and can take a lot of time working with the tax preparer or gathering it all together. Then ultimately you get to a point where all of that is done, and now you need to do by law an accounting to all of the beneficiaries. So it's a big job. If you're grieving, emotionally involved in some of the things, it can be hard to do. You have options, and that is why some people might choose trust and will to reduce the burden on their family and friends, to reduce the conflict that could occur, and to make it faster and more efficient by having professionals who already know what they're doing and to do it quickly and efficiently.
Trust and will.